Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for joining and tuning in to this video. If you're new, welcome boo. If you're returning, hey girl, what's up? Alright, so today we're doing a first of all, I'm doing Vlogmas for the first time this year. So yeah, so I decided to start off with my Christmas tree decorating video on how I did this tree. You can't really see it, but I got up close shots. I don't have I don't know what it's called, but I don't have a star or anything to go on the top. I really wanted to put, well, you're gonna see it in the video, but I really wanted to put this at the top. I tried it last year, it didn't work. I think I need more, like that's the thing. And then also I don't think I really love the idea of the branches sticking out. Like it's cute, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna like just let the music play out, give it that Christmas vibe, and yeah, fill your home with some Christmas cheer, some Christmas vibes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah. It's me leaving notes to self. So yeah, I am getting ready to decorate. So yeah, come on.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
I need some more ornaments like this, these big ones. Because you can't even see these little ones for yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. You clearly fuck with the vibe. But see y'all in the next video.